Hello to all friends, followers, listeners, how are you all buddies and best, hope you will find it doing very awesome trading. Today going to show you an awesome strategy based robot. Yes, what's mean robot? It's auto trading robot. If you want to make a profit from binary.com, so this robot, this product is really awesome because this is based on trend scalping and also price action candles. Now let's see the history of last week, what the robot did. Okay guys, and now look here, the continuously using 0.005. This is for all the step index, binary.com, all scientific indexes. You can use this robot on all type of indexes that binary.com offers. Look here, I love the step index cause move very smoothly and pay awesome profit. Look here, the step index continuously we made the profit using the default lot size, because the default lot size that broker offer on step index 0.10 and the boom and crash is 0.20. As you all guys know, volatility 75, index 0.001 is the default lot size offer from broker. And look here, in the last week what me with this broker, with this robot. This robot is working on our VPS server and it's really making profit. This is in a real account. We made deposit of $97.14. No, we made deposit of $100, but that you guys know the nature of BTC. So we received just 97 and we started this robot test. Okay, and we made the profit $115. It's really working and very awesome. Okay, it's all by robot. Okay, this is the real account. What's the balance now with this money and with this profit 115? We took the withdraw $41. Remember this guys. So it's near 100 and 150 with the profit, and right now the balance is 171.27. Now let me show you the robot on my server where it's working. Okay, you all guys seen that our account balance was 171.7. Look here. Okay, this is the real hedge account. Okay guys, and now look here, here is our robot version is started and is working on this account. It's really very awesome, a very benefit robot. If you want to purchase, contact our team and they will guide you how to purchase the product. Thank you, hope you guys got that. Have a great day.